Welcome to the project demonstration of smart board. In this project we are using a master and the three slaves which is works on the master slave function. So these are here we can see top of that one is a RP ladder. So this is the master slave doesn't have any RP ladders. So this is the master board which is have a RP ladder, and also we can see in the components we are using a Raspberry Pi 2200 mAh battery, and also using 8298 buck converter and the track PCB IR sensor and the Raspberry Pi camera we can see here, and Raspberry Pi. So same setup will be in the all boards, but there will be a one change that we are using here. We are using here Raspberry Pi 3, but the slaves in the slaves board we will use a Raspberry Pi 0W. And coming to the power supply, so we are taking the 12 volts 2200 microfarad mAh. So here we can see 12 volts 2200 mAh will be given to this buck converter. So we can see this is the buck converter. It will take the 12 volts that will be converted into 5 volts. That 5 volts will be given to this track PCB. So the main aim of this track PCB is equally divide the 5 volts power supply to the Raspberry Pi IR sensor and the 829. Sorry, 829 doesn't work on that one, but and also 5 volts will be utilized by this Zigbee. And also here we can see 8298 will be utilized the 12 volts 2200 mAh battery. So the signals will be given by this Raspberry Pi, and using the signal controlling this 2200 mAh 12 volts battery power supply will be give the to the DC motors. So here we can see these are the 10 RPM DC motors. So in this way we have fixed this one, and we can see in the slave 1. So we have mentioned here slave 1. So we can see same setup will be there, but the Raspberry Pi will be changed. And you can see slave 2. So we have mentioned here slave 2 and the slave 3. So if the coming to these boards, master and the slave 1 will be interface the camera and the IR sensor to the forward side. So we can see this is the forward side, and the slave 2 and the slave 3 will be camera and IR sensor will be shown on the back side. So here we can see this is the back side, IR sensor camera and IR sensor camera. So slave 2, slave 3 have a back side of the camera and the IR sensor. So we are using this RP ladder for the object detection. If the object detection is not done by this RP ladder, then this another IR sensor will be detected. So I will show you how to on this one. So first of all, on the master board, so first of all go this one and switch on this power supply. I will show you. So first of all on the master board, after that we need to go for the hotspot settings. So we need to set our hotspot settings as a project 6781 without any capital letter, without any space, and password should be 129. So here we can see one device is connected here. So we need to identify this IP address of this Raspberry Pi. So we need to go for the network analyzer. So this is a network analyzer which is also available in Play Store. We need to go for this one, and if you interface for the new, so it will be the home interface. We need to go for the 3 lines and have to choose the LAN scan. LAN scan is nothing but a local area network scan. We are scanning here. So here we can see N by A. So now here we can see it is showing that Raspberry Pi foundation. We need to copy this IP address and have to open in the Chrome. Just go to the search bar and paste this, and again give a colon like this. So here we can see, and after that press 8080 and enter. So we can see here we have pasted the IP address, and we can see this is the interface of this one. So first one is the master control and the camera, and these are the controllings, and this is the mode of operation, and also we can see here IP address So each board IP address we have to paste here, and if the IP address pasted here, we will be update the IPs, and we can see the board 1, board 2, board 3 or slaves views. So now we can control this master. So now we are controlling here now. So we can see it is forward, backward, left and the right. Now if I detect, place my hand near to this IR sensor, so we can see obstacle status master not detected, and if I say detected, so if I press forward it will continuously go, and if I press my hand it will be stopped automatically. And coming to the another slaves, for the slave also we need to power on this slave, switch on this one. We need to on the step by step process. So if we use another phone, so same process will be done, because different IP address have a different phones will be produce a different IP address. So that's why I am showing how to find the IP address and how to add this one in the web. Now here we can see hotspot 2, second hotspot also connected. So the master have a last 58 IP address. Now we need to identify the second one. So here we can see there will be no name, but is a n by 8 is showing. So now we need to copy this one, copy, and now we need to go for the, so this is the slave right now, we have copied address. So first we paste on the board 1 and colon 8081 for the slave 1 and update IP. So we can see it is showing the view board offline. Now we need to go for this one. So we can see this is the board 1 control, so master control. So now if I control this one using this one, so we can see forward, backward, stop and left, right and stop. And also if it is detected, so it will be show as a detect.
And detect and second agadu.
Okay.
Master detect aitene 1 hour.
Okay.
Link only update it.
So whenever the master detected the IR sensor, then automatically this all control. And if you want to go to the master web, we need to go for this one right here. The same way we are switch on in this slave 2 and the slave 3. So in the previous I have shown how to identify the IP address for the slave 1, the same operation for the slave 2, slave 3 for the IP address identification. So we can see in my hotspot there are 4 devices are connected. So we can see these are the 4 devices are connected. So if you want to find that 4 devices at the same time, we need to go for that IP address network analyzer. The same way how to repeat when we using the slave 1. So we can see here, so we identified that first IP address, and this is the second slave 2 and slave 3 IP addresses. After that we need to set this semicolon. After the colon we can see 8082 for the slave 2, 8083 for the slave 3. Now update the IP addresses. So we can see it is showing that offline, which means this comes on the online. So this is the board 2. So we can see it is showing that board 2 control. So we can control the board 2 right now and stop, left, right and stop. And coming to the slave 3, now we need to go for the master web. Now we need to go for the view board 3. So now I am controlling this one, so we can see backward, stop, left and right and stop. This way these 3 slaves will be controlled, and also master will be controlled. And coming to the so this is the master one, so we can see here a camera also working here, so we can see. And coming to the total motor controllings, so here we can see, so it will be show like this only. We need to refresh again, so just switch on this one and refresh, just switch on this one. So if we switch on this switch to the right side, so we control this motors and stop again. So we need to press the stop button again and again, then only it will be stopped. Sometimes communication will be take some delay. Press on left and we can see it is rotating to the left side, and stop, and right side we can see. And coming to the this mode, in this mode it will be works on the automatic mode. So it in this mode it will be follow the red color ball. So if we switch on this one, so this is the manual mode and this is the automatic mode. I will show you how it will be controlled. Now we can see here, switch to the this side, and this is the automatic mode. So in the camera also you can see this is the red color, it is detecting the red color, and also you can see in the camera it is detecting the red color. So if any object detected here, then it will be got stopped. So now again we are controlling here, so we can see the camera also for the left side, this is the left side and this is the right side. You can see the R motors are same operation will be doing. So we can see each of that one are controlling. So now this will be stopped automatically. So in this way it will be track the ball in the situation. The same now this, if we turn to this switch to the right side, then it will be controlled manually. So in this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.